Think lateral raises are just about lifting your arms to the side? What if I told you one small mistake could shift the work away from your shoulders and increase injury risk? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it. The biggest mistake most people make is choosing weights that are too heavy. Momentum starts doing the work instead of the muscles. Your side delts barely contribute when technique breaks down. The goal isn't moving the dumbbells, the goal is making your delts move them. Start with a strong shoulder width stance. Keep a small bend in the knees for stability. Brace your core like the foundation of a skyscraper. Keep the dumbbells beside your thighs, not behind or in front. Maintain a slight bend in your elbows throughout the movement. The secret is raising slightly forward instead of directly sideways. Most people lift directly out to the sides. A slightly forward angle aligns the shoulder more naturally. Lead with your elbows, not your hands. Push the elbows outward toward the walls. Avoid shrugging your shoulders. Keep the shoulders relaxed so the delts stay in control. Stop when your arms reach shoulder level. Going higher can add unnecessary stress to the joint. Pause and feel the side delts working. Most people rush the lowering phase. Lower the weights with complete control. More control means more muscular tension. Sometimes lighter weights create better shoulder activation. Eliminate momentum and let the muscles do the work. Focus on feeling tension exactly where you want growth. One version moves weight. The other builds shoulders. Try 10 flawless reps right now and feel the difference. Master the basics, stay consistent, and your shoulders will grow.